Hi guys, thank you for checking out our video here at Black Stag Styling. Hopefully it's not the first video you've checked out. If it is, get on the channel, have a look at some of the other videos we've done. Loads of different bits from styling, repairs, you name it. It's all on the channel, so check it out. But the reason you're joining us for today is we have in with us a lovely Alfa Romeo Giulia in the Alfa Red. What other colour would there be? And we've got that in with us actually from my dad. So it's come to us for a little repair to the sill. So we're going to be getting on with doing that. But then my dad just wanted to add a little bit of styling. So we've had a little chat with him, see what bits and pieces we can offer, but what keeps in with what he wants to achieve. And we've gone with some of our lovely Maxton parts. So we are supplying and fitting a front splitter, so the lower section of the front bumper, and a rear spoiler. So stay tuned for these, going to be good. Don't forget, like and subscribe to the channel. We'll crack on, get it into the workshop and start doing some of this styling and repairs. Here we go. Right, Paul's now getting the spoiler on, all lined up. Put his marks in it, we mate.
Oh, I hope they're right.
Look good to me, mate, look good to me. A little bit of bond there as well, just to help hold it all in place. Right, okay, so we've now got the bumper off the Alfa. We've decided to take the bumper off due to a couple of little issues on the bumper itself. So it has had a little bit of a knock, which we'll show you. So the bumper's been taken off. It's a bit out of shape down the bottom here. So we're just going to heat that up, get that into shape, and at the same time get the Maxton section all fitted and bonded onto the front bumper, and then get it back onto the car. That way we can line it all up. Properly, make sure there's no issues, and get it all bonded on as well. Right, so Paul's now about to drill the holes in the bumper. He's also already got some of the fixings in for the front splitter. Just going to drill them last couple of fixings, get it all bolted on. Right, here we go, time to get the bumper back onto the vehicle. A couple of little adjustments, as you know, that we've had to do to the lower front bumper. We had a couple of fixings that needed replacing as well. Got these two good looking young men, ish,
Where?
to put the...
How much do you want then?
Huh? Oh, stop being so ham-fisted.
We've also got a lovely little Audi TT in at the moment that Fraser is just finishing working his magic with. Can we, mate?
Yeah, just my magic.
Then just had a bumper corner repair. So Fraser's just doing the little bits ready to, well, he's just flattening it and ready for some polish. Get it all polished up, ready to go back. Right, we're just going to go in and see Fraser, who is now in the spray booth with the sill trim for the Alfa. Just getting the last coat of paint, and he'll be getting some lacquer onto it. So we're not doing too much filming to do with this, because it's all to do with the Maxton parts that we're fitting. So we just do a little bit of filming of him getting some paint onto the parts. Here we go. Right, now time to get the sill trim back on. As you can see, guys are just on it after it's been painted and lacquered. Francois's done a lovely job, and Adam was just helping get it back on. Can you, pal?
Yeah, man. Couldn't do it without me, mate, he said.
Definitely not. Right guys, so we have now finished the work we've been doing to the Alfa Romeo Giulia. Been a pleasure working on this for my dad. So we've done a few little bits and pieces to this, as you will have seen. One of the bits we've done was the repairs to the sill sort of skirt section. So we've had that, I've done the repairs to that and then painted, lacquered it and put it back on the car. But the main bits we've been doing, of course, have been the styling. So we've added some nice Maxton Design parts to this. Really pleased with how this now looks. Just adds a little bit of styling, but nothing too much. So starting with the front, we did have to take the bumper off to do a couple of little repairs, just to get the splitter section to fit, and then we've fitted onto the bumper the Maxton gloss black splitter section on the front, lower splitter. Looks really cool. And then to add to that, just to do the finishing touch, of course we have on the rear of the vehicle, we've added the gloss black Maxton Design boot spoiler. So this is a nice tasteful little section as well, not too big, just adds that last bit of style to the vehicle. So everything's now done, car's had a wash and a polish. Bits have been final prepped, make sure they're all final touches, just to make sure they're all finished, and that's ready for my dad to come and collect it. So hopefully he'll be pleased with that. Don't forget, please do like and subscribe to the old channel, turn on the notifications, stay fully up to date with everything we are doing, and we'll catch you again for another video. We'll give you a last look around the vehicle like always, and stay safe. Catch you for the next video. Thanks very much.